G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the SkeletonHD men's bracelets, and these are the Phantom Stack, which are all black bracelets. These have the little skeleton heads on them, which you can see there. So these were kindly enough sent to me from SkeletonHD, and you know, I haven't worn bracelets in a while, but I was excited to try these on. These are black, and I wear a lot of dark clothing. It goes with my darker features, and you know, I've done videos before on black earrings, so I think that would go with a black earring. On top of that, these are really good quality. They've got a good weight to them. They'll make a good gift for a guy in their 20s, or even a girl that's into the more rock scene. And I think this would suit someone going out, you know, to a more rockier, grungier venue, maybe a live show. So yeah, for that, they're kind of cool. They come in a pair of two. You can wear one on each hand and stack them with other bracelets. Or, you know, just have two on one hand. I think that's what they're meant to be for though, to stack them with other kind of bracelets, and you kind of create your own unique stack. So the type of clothes I would match this with, as I said, I'd match it with a dark earring. So I'm gonna pop in my dark tunnel earring. So there is my earring in, and there are the bracelets. Goes nice with my dark facial hair. And then I was thinking I'd probably also pair it with a nice denim jacket. So I'll pop that on. So there we go, denim jacket, got my Phantom Stack, got my dark earrings, putting on my dark Timberlands, and that is my outfit. You could even pair this with a nice watch on this side, or you know, complement it with a nice black watch on this side as well. Or also dark rings. I used to wear black rings, so that would go well as well. So yeah, the choice is yours. But yeah, as you can see, it kind of rounds out the outfit nicely. So that is it. That is the SkeletonHD Phantom Stack. I'll put their details in the description, including that they've got a large Instagram following. They've got a pretty good website, so you can check that out. And yeah, nice, stylish for yourself. Good gift. So yeah, check them out. And that will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.